In this episode of TOI Auto, we talk about the upcoming Trident 660, which is said to be the most affordable Triumph motorcycle yet, and it is also making its way to India. With this new roadster, the automaker is foraying into the high-volume mid-sized naked motorcycle segment. We take a look at the 8 reasons why this new offering can turn the fortunes around for Triumph. The 2021 Triumph Trident 660 pays homage to the original Triumph Trident and the BSA Rocket 3 Roadsters, which ruled the roads from 1968 to 1975. Just like those icons, the Trident 660 looks promising enough to excite true motorheads. The Trident 660 is powered by a 660cc 3-cylinder engine that manages to deliver maximum power of 81 PS and offers a peak torque of 64 Newton meters. The motorcycle has a curb weight of 189 kgs and that gives it a good power to weight and torque to weight ratios, ensuring a thrilling ride every time. The Roadster sports a light steering weight and the high specifications show a suspension and braking system lets the rider be confident about their rides. The 17-inch sporty cast aluminium wheels with the Michelin Road 5 tires ensures agile performance in all kinds of riding conditions. The Triumph Trident 660 comes with relaxed rider ergonomics and rider fatigue eliminating features like the slip and assist clutch that ensures longer and safer rides. The Nissan braking system and an accessible seat height of 805mm gives easy access to foot pegs, making it a sure-footed motorcycle, further eliminating the risks related to rider fatigue. The Trident 660 boasts a distinctive design on its fuel tank with sculpted knee cutouts and black wheels, minimalist rear end with swing arm mounted plate hanger, and the rear indicators give it a sporty look. The contrasting radiator cowls, heel guards, body-colored fork protectors, tapered handlebars, and teardrop mirrors are the elements that complement the muscular image of the Trident 660. The Roadster gets a TFT display instrument cluster for an easy at-a-glance interaction while riding. The TFT display has been designed for an optional accessory fit connectivity system that enables navigation, GoPro control, phone and music interaction, and much more. The riders have the freedom to personalize their Trident 660 by choosing from a whole range of accessories. Triumph will be offering the connectivity system as an add-on which includes navigation, GoPro controls, and phone operation. The automaker will also be offering a luggage pack as an add-on that will not compromise the agility of the Trident 660. The Triumph Trident 660 is expected to boast a price tag of somewhere around Rs 7.5 lakh to Rs 8.5 lakh ex-showroom. With a class-leading service interval of 16,000 kilometers or 12 months, the Trident 660 boasts quite a reasonable cost of ownership too. Stay tuned to Times of India for more news and updates.